Political Affairs Officer for Senator Robin Padilla, Nadia Montenegro, stepped down from her position in line with the recent marijuana controversy in the Senate. Meanwhile, several senators expressed openness to undergo drug testing, as our Daniel Manalastas reports.
Several senators are now open to undergo a drug test in light of controversy and allegation of marijuana use inside the Senate premises. Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri took the initiative by getting a drug test along with his staff, and he has message to his fellow senators.
Ini-encourage ko po ang lahat ng mga senador at kanilang mga opisina na magpa-drug test na para sa ganun ay talagang mawawala ng duda na mga nagdudurog dito sa ating Senado. Pag wala naman kayong tinatago, bakit matatakot po kayo mag-drug test?
Zubiri, for his part, will not dismiss yet his staff who might test positive. But Senator Raffy Tulfo, who is set to undergo a drug test tomorrow along with his staff, has a different perspective.
We have to suspend them for the meantime and rehabilitate. Pagkatapos po ng rudimentary period for rehabilitation at positive pa rin po sila, then we have no choice but to dismiss the employee, our employee. Coterminous naman po yan sa akin dahil mahirap eh.
Sipa. No ifs, no buts, no exception. O ngayon, pag nagparehab siya on her or his own, and then magaling na siya, di pwede kong tanggapin ulit.
And in light of marijuana controversy, Nadia Montenegro, the Political Affairs Officer of Senator Robin Padilla, has resigned. Her written explanation and resignation letter was sent to Padilla's Chief of Staff, Attorney Rudolph Jurado. Montenegro clarified that her decision to resign should not be misconstrued as an admission of guilt, and it is rather her demonstration of deep respect for the Senate and Padilla's office. She added that she was unfairly subjected to a publicity trial, misjudgments, and bashings, and even her children were also subjected to ridicule. She vehemently denies that she is the staff member of a senator being mentioned in the articles. She insisted that as a political affairs officer, she served with utmost integrity, honesty, and respect to the law, saying she will never disrespect the Senate. Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.